Today I'm starting a new project. You remember, if you've seen the episode where I put the Predator 212 in the Honda dirt bike, now what I want to do is I want to turn this into a jumper cable dad's twist on a Scrambler. The intention is to fully strip it down, find a new gas tank, put a cafe racer style seat on it, redesign the rear subframe, strip it down, paint it. I really want this to be a nice clean build. Just something to putz around on, but nice and clean. So I'm going to start stripping this thing down. All right, let's get to it. All right, I've stripped it down about as far as I want to for now. I want to wait until I get a gas tank and a seat to see how I'm going to redo the rear subframe. Then I can start figuring out what I can cut off to minimize anything on here. The minimalistic is the goal. It didn't take me too long, maybe 45 minutes to an hour to strip it down to this. So that's about it. Today's goals are mount the seat and the gas tank. Amazon special gas tank, seat, and handlebars. So I'm gonna just get to it, put it on time lapse, and try to get that tank and seat mounted. I'm going to start stripping down the Scrambler. We took it to Busco. It rides great, probably a little too great. Our friend Blake jumped it. Got a little dent in the tank. The gas tank came unmounted. I'm gonna hose it down, get all the Busco mud off of it first. Start stripping it down and cleaning it up, getting ready to rebuild it. All right, so I'm gonna just get to it. Alright, so right now I'm working on building a template for a number plate with a headlight. Let's see if I can hold both. I'm gonna make it out of metal, a little piece of thin sheet metal, fender mock-up here. Make this little fender right now. I just ordered a light, I just ordered new fork boots. I got this new headlight mount, got the new fork boots on there. I got the forks polished, so that looks pretty good. But now what I'm working on is a skid plate. So I've gone through several designs on what I think I want to do, but I think that this is going to be my general layout of what I'm going to do for a skid plate. Got it drawn on piece of 16 gauge sheet metal here, and I'm going to try to get it cut out and get it bent up and get it mocked up. Got my new headlight mount, nice and solid. This isn't going to come off now. I got the front forks all polished up, and I made a skid plate. So what I did is I welded a tab in here, I tacked them in, and then I did a hard bend on this, bolted these ones in, and then pushed up to give that natural curve bend for the bottom piece. Nice little skid plate on the bottom of this thing. All right, we're back on the Scrambler. Got a couple last minute things to do till this is done and ready for Busco Mini Mayhem. We adjusted the preload, so because it was just like sagging almost all the way down to the tire. Plus we did take away a couple inches with putting the exhaust here. The exhaust turned out really cool. Right now, Scott's about to do the wiring for the light. Got the battery mounted down there. What I'm about to do is this fender. I'm gonna mount it. I made this fender. And then this will be pretty much ready for Busco. This thing is cool. I really like how this turned out. All right, got the fender mounted. I think it's kind of cool. Little retro, neo-retro look, kind of. I don't really know how to describe it. Scott's working on the wiring. He's doing a great job making everything clean and tucked away.